I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red _ 292. We're gonna be out here taking video. We're gonna be out here taking video of this dope local car show. Here we go. go ahead, get a little closer in there. I see you coordinating. I like it. Get them cat skin seats in there. These are nice. I want to get something like these, but I can't decide on the color yet. That's the only thing, I can't decide on the color for that one yet. Oh, before my battery died, let me go ahead, get Top Stuff the car out here, because he's going to be like, I missed him. There we go. There he is. I caught him.
Yeah, you
What
caught
it
him,
is?
bro.
Who it is? Who it is?
It's top_stepper392, man. Watch one of his videos, then come over to my channel and watch one or two. Then subscribe. Right?
Subscribe to him, then subscribe to me. Okay, yeah. Then him. Come on, man.
Monster_392. Hey, come here, baby. We'll look at two of his videos, man. And then look at one of mine. How about that? Then subscribe to his, and then subscribe to mine. Hit that notification bell too. You know what I'm saying?
And like our farewell brother that's on the other side of the United States right now, y'all know who I'm talking about. As certified. Certified. It don't cost you nothing. It don't cost us nothing. I don't know how to say it. Boom. There you go. Hey, big shout out to Certified. You got a lot of us in the game, bro. Keep doing your thing, and we're gonna keep doing ours. We're gonna see you again soon. Oh, don't forget this guy right here. Go Mango _17. Oh yeah, we got you. The smartest man at the car show, people. The smartest man at the car show. See this? He in the shade. He got his chill. He got my chill. He got his car in the shade. Everything cooled off. Alright guys, so that was everybody at the show. I ain't missed nobody. So if you look at top_stepper's page and he say I forgot to mention him in the video or something like that, he lying. So, like I said, thanks for looking at the channel, thanks for looking at this video. Smash that subscribe button and share it. And hit the like button sometimes, man. It helps. We do the same thing for y'all, all y'all other YouTubers out there. Let's just support everybody and keep pumping these numbers up. Later. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!